Welcome back. Today's geometry puzzle looks simple, but there's a clever connection hiding inside it. Here's the setup. We have a rectangle, ABCD. Point E lies on the bottom side, AB. Two segments are drawn from point E, one to point D and the other to point C. This creates two regions. On the left is right triangle AED. On the right is the shaded trapezoid EBCD. We're given three important clues. The area of triangle AED is exactly 1 square unit. Its base, AE, is exactly 1 unit. And the top side of the rectangle, CD, has exactly the same length as segment CE. Our goal is to find the exact area of the shaded trapezoid. Let's begin with the small triangle on the left. We know its area is 1, and its base is 1. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Substitute the values. 1 equals 1/2 times 1 times the height. Multiply both sides by 2. The height is 2. That means AD equals 2. And since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, BC also equals 2. So we've already found the height of the trapezoid. Now let's find the lengths of its two parallel bases. Let the top side, CD, have length x. The problem tells us that CE equals CD. So CE also has length x. Since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, the entire bottom side, AB, also has length x. We already know that AE is 1, so EB equals x minus 1. Now look at right triangle EBC. Its vertical leg is 2. Its horizontal leg is x minus 1. And its hypotenuse is x. Apply the Pythagorean theorem. The quantity x minus 1 squared plus 2 squared equals x squared. Expanding the square gives x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 equals x squared. The x squared terms cancel immediately, so we're left with negative 2x plus 5 equals 0. Move the x term to the other side. That gives 2x equals 5. So x equals 5 divided by 2. Now we know both bases of the trapezoid. The top base is 5/2. The bottom base is x minus 1, which is 3/2. We're ready for the final step. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the two parallel bases. Substitute the values. Area equals 1/2 times 2 times the quantity 3/2 plus 5/2. 1/2 times 2 is simply 1. And 3/2 plus 5/2 equals 8/2, which is 4. Therefore, the exact area of the shaded trapezoid is 4 square units. And that's our final answer. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more geometry puzzles, and I'll see you in the next one.